identify the worries of teachers in this domain or this field of teaching and learning, which is a bit, for Tunisian context, a new concept. The other stakeholder, or the other part of the stakeholders, is policymakers. Policymakers, and we all know that we have this problem of top-down decisions that we need to just maybe perform, is that policymakers need to know that teachers need training. They need to get familiarized with technology. And we had the experience of the COVID-19 when we had to suddenly switch from the face-to-face teaching to online teaching. There were a lot of teachers who were very worried about that because they didn't know how to handle. I'm so sorry for that, but I witnessed a lot of people's worries who did not know how to handle technology, how to use online tools, what to do exactly, what type of activities to design for their online teaching or the learners' learning, and how to help learners to get ahead in their learning process, which is very important for us as teachers in the 21st century to get familiarized with the notion of online tools, multimedia tools, and also types of activities that we can design for online teaching, and how we can empower our students
Could you make it shorter, please?
Yes. So this is what I meant. For the question by Sibelgesi, it was
just a command.
So you said there is no complementarity?
Yeah, I can see it complementarity.
Well,
coexistence or rather.
Well, actually, again, I will refer to the teacher's role. And that's why I emphasize on the importance of teachers' training, because there are some activities that lend themselves to online teaching and other activities that lend themselves to be done face-to-face, and also other activities which can be done synchronously or asynchronously. And this requires a lot of training. Thank you.
Okay, thank you to the panelists for their engagement. Okay, Sierra. Please, we are running far behind the schedule. So
I'll be very brief. So in response to your lengthy connection to the possibility of a convergence between Layla Lalami in connection to Ludi or Chinua Achebe, I guess that this is a very broad question. First of all, it requires maybe another, paper, but then it triggers different responses, and I guess that Layla Lalami already gave out her response because she already opted for a third position, or what Rumi Baba calls the third space. Now, I could also think of Layla Lalami. Maybe she's a close, right? She's a close to Chinua Achebe rather than Goody, but I'm not very much comfortable with this, classification. I'm rather inclined, to study her and think of her narrative as having affinities with the dreams of press class by, Fatima Mernissi, or the Minaret by Abulawla, etc.
Okay, I would like to thank the panelists for their engagement and feedback, but also the audience for their astute questions and constructive comments. Thank you very much. We meet after.